What's up everybody, welcome to a brand new video of the Greeks. This is Panos from the Greeks, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can literally get Amazon to pay you $1,010.25 per week for almost blank, almost empty books. Stay with me. I know you may be wondering how you're gonna make that kind of money selling almost blank books. All I am talking about is called low content publishing, and it is a super hot trend now. Forget about dropshipping where the margins are pretty low. We have done that, we have been there, we have made good money with dropshipping, but now it's time to change the game. So, low content publishing, it means publishing books on Amazon KDP with very little content. Let's see an example for that. So I'm gonna search for gratitude journal. Let me type that one, gratitude journal. And we're gonna see how much money a gratitude journal, a blank journal actually, can make on Amazon. And let's check the first result, this one here, and let's see the numbers. So this one, this very specific book is selling more than 700, almost 800 copies every single month, making at least $5,400. Can you imagine having just one or two of those books in your bookshelf? Can you imagine making a revenue of more than $10,000 from just two books? I am pretty sure that you would want a piece of that pie. I would definitely want that. So stay with me because I'm going to show you the most easy way to create a low content book. The main things that you need to create first is, of course, the cover of the book and the interior, and we're going to use Canva, and I'm going to show you everything to you step by step. So let's go over to Canva, because Canva is the tool that we're going to use to create our cover and our interior for our low content book. And we're going to create a 6x9 low content book because 6x9 is the most popular trim size for low content books. And the cover for a 6x9 book is gonna be in inches, and it's gonna be 12.8 by 9.25. Create design. And here we have our stunning white cover. And Halloween is around the corner, so I'm gonna create a Halloween planner for our example. You can create gratitude journals, you can create recipe books, you can create music books, you can create lots of notebooks, you can create loads of different low content books. Believe me, if you have the time to create all those books, you will see that you will not cover the 10% of the books that you can create in the low content publishing system and opportunity. So let's start with our cover, and we want a background which is in the Halloween theme. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go here, photos, and search for Halloween, and there are great photos here for Halloween, and I believe that the first one, or this one here, this one is a great example for our cover. So besides the photo for the background, we also need some text. So I'm gonna go here, add in here, I'm gonna take it right here, and I'm gonna write something like my Halloween planner 2019, something like that. And I'm gonna take it right here. And what we want to do here now is we want to change the font actually, and maybe use something like, you know, a scary font or something. Let's see here what we got. So maybe this one here, my Halloween planner, and a little bit bigger or bold. Yep. You can play around with the colors here of the font, of the text. Apologies, you can make it white. Nope, I don't like it white. Or something like orange. Yep. You can play around with the photos for your background on Canva, with the text. I just want to show you how easy it is to create a book cover on Canva. You don't need to outsource everything and go maybe on Fiverr and pay $10 for a cover or $5 for each cover and interiors. Maybe you can do everything on your own on Canva. It's a great tool and I use it every day. So let's stick with the black one for now. And this actually is our cover. I'm gonna go back now in order to create the interior for the Halloween planner. I'm gonna show you some templates that Canva has, and they are really helpful for you to start off. I almost forgot, when you're done with your cover, you click here where it says download, you click on PDF print and you download the artwork. So I'm gonna go back, and now we want the interior, which is 6 by 9, create design. And now we're gonna create the interior for our book. So here where it says templates, if you search for planner, you're gonna see that there are loads of different templates, and I really don't want to waste your time here, so I'm gonna pick randomly one. You can check everything on Canva. Depends on the book type that you want to create. As you can see, it has loads of different templates. Pay the bills, or personal planners, daily planners, some meal planners or weekly workout planners. Canva has loads of different templates here. I'm gonna pick actually this one, and we're gonna edit this one so that it fits our Halloween planner. So you may want to add something like, first of all, let's change the text here in order to show you how easy it is to change the text and things on Canva. My Halloween planner. And you can add something like a date, for example, here, and leave it blank, or take it here on the left of the screen. And here where it says target goals, you can do, as it is a Halloween planner, you can do some, let me bring it here. You can do something like costumes, maybe. And here to-do list, you can leave it here as it is, but to-do list, and something like treats and things like that. You can add more blocks here for music. You can do lots of different things on Canva. Let me bring it back on 50%, and you may want to add some graphics. Let's go here on graphics and search for Halloween to see what we get here. Oh, the trick or treat. Yep, you can add something. You can take this one, for example, and make it a little bit smaller and change what is the transparency here, bring it down. So, or take it up here. You can play around. So now, as you can see, we took a template from Canva, which was for a generic planner, and we have made it into a Halloween planner. As I said, you can spend your own time here, make wonderful planners or journals or recipe books, whatever. And if you want to have this one as a 100 pages book, what you have to do here is just click here where it says copy paste, my apologies, copy paste, and keep on pressing the copy paste button until you reach the 100 pages. So once you have the interior for the book and the cover for the book ready, what you need to do is just go on KDP and list your book. As soon as your book sells on Amazon, Amazon will print the book, will ship it to your customer, and you will get royalties for that specific sale. So I really hope that you were able to see how easy it is to create a book and list it on KDP, a low content book. You don't need to write any novels at all, spend months to write a book. You just need to spend something like 10 minutes in order to create a brand new book. And once you stay consistent and list at least 5 to 10 books on KDP each day, believe me that you will be able to earn a really good passive income. Don't forget that my business partner Bill and I, we have created a complete video course around low content publishing on KDP. You will find all the tools that you need to outrank your competition. This is just the basic idea. If you want to take this to the next level and, as I said before, outrank your competition and sell every single book that you create and list on KDP, click on the first link in the description below and you will be able to take our video course at a wonderful price, no more than what a pizza costs basically. So thank you so much for watching this video. This is Panos from the Greeks signing off.